tech e-commerce unicorn, Jumia. Now, if you don't know what a unicorn is, it's a company that is valued over $1 billion, which this company, which IPO'd at the New York Stock Exchange earlier this year, even though it has its headquarters in Berlin, Germany, and has its development house in Portugal, has heavily relied on the tagline, Africa's first unicorn, to draw investors and investment to it. Now, when it IPO'd, the Citron research came up with evidence showing that Jumia claims and numbers were fraudulent. Now, Jumia vehemently denied this, but two things happened after Citron's research came out. Jumia's share price steadily dropped. It's currently at 12.73 versus the 14.50 that it IPO'd at. There's also currently a class action suit going on from the investors in Jumia. Now, Jumia has vehemently denied all this, only for us to find out this week, and for Jumia itself to accept that there has been over 18 million US dollars in fraud perpetuated in its system, and calling it improper orders. Now, this is how I suppose the fraud works. Multiple orders are created in the system and then cancelled, so that the sales numbers, it shows and skews more numbers than it's normal. Now, you can hear the details of this from the horse's own mouth.
Sasha, this first came up back in May. Andrew Left of Citron accused Jumia of being a fraud and pointed out this specific issue. At the time, you said, at least according to MarketWatch, we completely stand by our prospectus. We will not be distracted by those who seek to create doubt to profit at our expense and that of our long-term stakeholders. Now you're saying he's right. Why did you stand by the prospectus in the first place?
No, I didn't say that.
The thing that truly gets me about this Jumia story is that Jumia has been quick to point fingers at its Nigeria operations for the issues of fraud. Because, I mean, it's really convenient to point fingers at a country that already has a fraud reputation problem, and it's easy to say, oh, it's not a company-wide sanctioned behavior, it is just a group of people within the Nigeria organization that have done it. Because do I believe that this is not company sanctioned, and I don't know, but here's what I do know, that Jumia has really done a disservice to the Africa tech ecosystem, because they built up their brand as Africa's first unicorn. They have essentially screwed it up for other hardworking, well-meaning founders across the Africa tech ecosystem that might be looking to build their companies, expand their companies, IPO on the London Stock Exchange, IPO on the New York Stock Exchange without the extra scrutiny. Well done to Jumia and its work in actually damaging the Africa tech ecosystem. I applaud you.